Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Good morning, everyone. Check this view out from the weather windows. There's actually a tiny bit of some sunshine. Those clouds are already starting to thin out when we look out towards Narragansett Beach. Other spots still very dark, very cloudy. Look at New Bedford, for example. They are a bit drier. Now, other spots are seeing some of that rain still falling, but New Bedford kind of splitting the difference between, say, Providence and Narragansett, where Narragansett looks nice and even a little bit of some sunshine, and Providence very cloudy with even some rain still ongoing right now. Newport looking pretty good as well. Look at that little band of some cotton candy almost color right there where those clouds are a bit thinner and that sun is starting to shine through just a tiny bit. Threat tracker overall for the day today, tomorrow, and even into Monday, we are in the green. Once we see all of this moisture and cloud coverage clear out later this morning, we are going to see a very quiet weather pattern for most of the week ahead. However, we're keeping a very close eye on the end of this week as we track a larger and potentially more impactful system on the way. Right now, though, pretty mild, 35 degrees for Providence, 34 for Smithfield, and 38 for Westerly. That's pretty nice for this time of year. However, it doesn't feel that nice. It feels even colder, 25 right now, that wind chill. We're seeing some pretty strong wind gusts out there already that'll be sticking around throughout the day today. So right now we are feeling like the 20s, and even later this afternoon when we start to warm up, we'll be feeling mostly like the 30s. Here's a look at that satellite and radar. Like I said, Narragansett actually starting to clear out a little bit. You can see that little clear spot where those clouds are kind of thinning out and they are dry. Also down towards New Bedford, you're still on the cloudy side, but at least the showers have kind of cleared out for just a bit. Meanwhile, up towards Providence and traveling north towards the state line, you're seeing a little bit of a quick transition back over to snow flurries. It's been a kind of a back and forth between rain and snow all morning long, but really this is the tail end of that moisture, and all of this activity kind of wrapped around this low is going to start to really push east over the next hour or two. So by about 8, 9 o'clock, all of the shower activity will be done and over with, and then we'll just be left over with some of those stubborn clouds, but some more sunshine on the way for this afternoon. Here's a look at that forecast for today. Those temperatures will be back up into the low to mid 40s, which is really not too bad. A little bit of some sunshine out there. However, it just won't feel like the low to mid 40s. We're seeing those wind gusts upwards of 25, almost 30 miles an hour throughout the morning and the afternoon. That's going to knock those wind chills down into the 30s all day long, and then even early this evening, you'll be starting to feel like the 20s pretty early by about 6 o'clock. Here's that hour-by-hour forecast. Again, right in the middle part of the day, you're seeing that mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures feeling a little cool out there. Beautiful clear skies overnight tonight. So tomorrow morning, you're waking up just a bright and beautiful sunshine, but chilly. Temperatures will be in the 20s, and it'll be feeling like the teens for a few spots. Overall, Sunday looking very quiet with mostly sunny skies out there. 7-day forecast, like I said, we are in for a stretch of very quiet weather through till about Wednesday. Now, Thursday's when things change. We are tracking a much larger coastal system moving up towards our area. We'll start to feel the impacts for that late Thursday. Friday's the day that we're really keeping a very close eye on as far as holiday travel. That's the day before Christmas Eve. There's opportunity for a little bit of a wintry mix. Some rain and some snow could wreak a little havoc on some of that travel, so we're keeping a very close eye on how this system tracks towards our area, and we'll keep you up to date on some of the impacts as we get a bit closer. You can check out the 7-day forecast anytime you want. It's over on our website. That's WPRI.com.
Well, all the snow that the northern part of our region got, and the western part in western Mass is a good sign, combined with that upcoming precipitation for the week of Christmas, when people like to go skiing and snowboarding and all of that.
Yeah, I do imagine that if anybody had ski plans for this week or the next week ahead, if you're traveling north, you are going to be very happy because it's a lot of snow up that direction.
All right, bring it on.